Hello everyone, this is RF4 brand, a tool manufacturer from China. RF4 is the main supplier of screen repair machinery in Ecuador. We sincerely invite you to join us in this wonderful meeting. RF4 will present many tools and microscopes to participants at the award ceremony.
Our company has more than 15 years of experience in developing mobile tools. With the rapid development in the industries, RF4 is increasingly pursuing product innovation and practicality. Our idea is to provide more efficient and practical products for mobile maintenance.
RF4 has been on the path of innovation, from the appearance of the product to the practicality of the product. We care more about the customer's experience and improve the customer's work efficiency. As a brand company, we have our own factory because we firmly believe that the quality of the products is controlled in the production process. We have a perfect production process and a careful quality inspection team. We have been making high-quality products to make customers feel at ease. The second International Screen Repair Conference will be held in Quito, Ecuador, from March 16 to 18, 2023. This conference will gather excellent brand merchants and repair masters from all over the world to exchange and share the technical problems and experience of the industry. We again invite you to join us in this wonderful conference in Ecuador.